वाहिगुरु। हक पराया नानका, उस सुअर उस गाए। गूर पीर हामा तापरे, जा मुरदार ना खाए। गली पिस्त ना जाइए, छूटे सच कमाए। मारण पाए हराम में, होए हलाल ना जाए। To take what rightfully belongs to another is like a Muslim eating pork or a Hindu eating beef. Our Guru, our spiritual guide, stand by us if we do not eat those carcasses. By mere talk, people do not earn passage to heaven. Salvation comes only from the practice of truth. By adding spices to forbidden foods, they are not made acceptable. Chapter 10, Haloalkanes and Haloarenes by Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. Syllabus for this unit 22021. Haloarenes nomenclature, nature of CX bond, physical and chemical properties, optical rotation, mechanism of substitution reactions. Haloarenes, nature of CX bond, substitution reactions, directive influence of halogen in mono substitution compounds only. Objectives: after studying this unit, pupil will be able to name haloalkanes and haloarenes according to IUPAC system of nomenclature from their given structures. Describe the reactions involved in the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes and understand various reactions that they undergo. Correlate the structure of haloalkanes and haloarenes with various types of reactions. Use stereochemistry as a tool for understanding the reaction mechanism. Methods of preparation of alkyl halides. First method is from alcohol. Alkyl halides are best prepared from alcohol which are easily accessible. The hydroxyl group of alcohol is replaced by halogen on reaction with. We can use high concentrated halogen acids, HX, HCl, HBr, HI, phosphorus halides like PCl3, PCl5, thionyl chloride SOCl2, red phosphorus in the presence of X2, that is Cl2 or Br2, NaBr in the presence of H2SO4, Ki or NaI in the presence of phosphoric acid. We have ROH and we adding HX to it, and we will get RX and H2O. Let us see this reaction with the help of a animation. Here the structure for alcohol is drawn in the form of a circle, and we have HX, and all the blue circles are blinking because here it appears that they will form a stable product, that is water. Water is forming and remaining RX will form the alkyl halide. The idea to use this circle is to make the reaction more clear in the minds of the students. Now another reaction is alcohol is treated with NaBr and H2SO4, and we will get how this reaction is going on. Here I want to clear one thing, that the chemical bond can be represented by positive negative as shown in the slide. That is the chemical bond. Now we have already know alcohol R positive, O negative and H positive is the structure for alcohol, and we have NaBr, Na positive, Br negative, and we have H2SO4, H positive and HSO4 negative. There are some blue circles, some green circles. Blue circle will form water, green circle will form, here these are blinking. Blinking is showing that here these will combine and will form water molecule. And alkyl halide is bromide is forming, and remaining is Na positive, HSO4 negative. I think the reaction will be clear for all the students now. Next is alcohol is treated with PCl3 and we will get RCl and H3PO3. Here R may be CH3 or CH3CH2. Now let's have better understanding with the help of models. Here we will take the 3 moles of alcohol and then PCl3. We know the structure of PCl3 by the knowledge of +1, and how this all the blue circles will, first of all 3R and 3Cl will form RCl, 3 moles of RCl, and these blue circles will come together and form POH thrice. ROH plus PCl5 changing into RCl plus POCl3. Now we are using alcohol here in the form of model PCl5. We know the structure of PCl5 with the knowledge of +1. Okay, we are putting the charges here. Electronegative atom is getting negative charge, electropositive other atom which is less electronegative, it is getting positive charge. Here R and Cl are blinking, they will form alkyl halide, and HCl will be eliminated here, and next will be POCl3. I think the reaction will be clear. ROH plus SOCl2 changing into RCl, SO2 plus HCl, ROH again alcohol, and SOCl2 is written here. Okay, now how they will react, R and Cl will form alkyl halide. Okay, and then these HCl will eliminate as a gas, and SO2 will form, these are blinking, SO2 gas. All the byproduct are gases, therefore no separation is required. This is the best method for the preparation of alkyl halides. Summarize, I have alcohol, I can use SOCl2, we can use anhydrous ZnCl2 and HCl, and PCl5, PCl3, RCl will form, NaBr, H2SO4, RBr will form, red phosphorus in the presence of X2, Rx will be formed. Here X represent in all the equations chlorine or bromine. We don't use X as fluorine or iodine because special method are to be used to prepare fluorides or iodides. Some important things we will have to remember: thionyl alcohol is preferred because the other two byproducts are gases, hence reaction gives pure alkyl halide. Phosphorus tribromide and triiodide are usually generated in situ by reaction of red phosphorus with bromine and iodine respectively. In situ means they are prepared in the reaction mixture and consumed in the reaction mixture. Preparation of alkyl chloride is carried out either by passing dry hydrogen chloride gas through a solution of alcohol or by heating a solution of alcohol in concentrated aqueous acid. Good yield of Ri may be obtained by heating alcohol with sodium or potassium iodide in 95% phosphoric acid. Very important thing this, the above method is not applicable for the preparation of halides because the carbon oxygen bond in case of phenol has a partial double bond character and is difficult to break being stronger than single bond. Very important thing, these two things are important. Okay, now Finkelstein reaction. By the use of this reaction, Alkyl chloride or bramides are converted into iodides. Reagent used is NaI and the reaction is given here. NaI used in dry acetone. Why? Where X is Cl or Br. Note, NaCl NaBr thus formed is precipitated in dry acetone. It facilitates the forward reaction according to Le-Chatelier principle. Now, next reaction is Schwartz reaction. In this reaction, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide are converted into alkyl fluorides. The reagent is metallic fluoride such as AgF, HgF, COF, SbF, and the reaction is Rx. I am using AgF here, Rf, and converting into NaX, where X is Cl or Br. From alkene, these reactions are from +1 class. We studied these reactions in the properties of alkenes. Okay, need not to be explained here. By the addition of hydrogen halide and by the addition of halogens. Okay, these reactions were done in class 11th in the properties of alkenes. Okay. From alkanes by free radical halogenation. Okay. Homework. Why sulfuric acid is not used during the reaction of alcohol with Ki? Because it H2SO4 is an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes Hi produced during the reaction to I2 and thus prevent the reaction between an alcohol and Hi to form alkyl iodide. To prevent this reaction, a non-oxidizing acid like phosphoric acid H3PO3 is used. Reactions are given here. It react with Ki and form Hi and again react with Hi to form I2, therefore make reaction impossible because the reagent Hi is converted into I2. Okay, draw the structure, measure compounds. Some we have given some arrows, some reactants, and we will have to draw the products. You can do by the previous knowledge. It is homework. Answer is given. कूप भरियो जैसे दादरा कछु देश विदेश न बूझ. The frog in deep well knows nothing of its own country or other lands. ऐसे मेरा मन बिखया बिमोहया कछु आर पार ना सूझ. Just so my mind, infatuated with corruption, understand nothing about this word or the next. In Punjabi, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਖੂਹ ਡੱਡੂ ਨਾਲ ਭਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੋਵੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਡੱਡੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵਾਕਫ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਖੂਹ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਦੇਸ਼ ਪ੍ਰਦੇਸ਼ ਵੀ ਹੈ. ਤਿਵੇਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਨ ਮਾਇਆ ਦੇ ਖੂਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਤਨਾ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਫਸਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਇਆ ਦੇ ਖੂਹ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲਣ ਲਈ ਕੋਈ ਉਰਲਾ ਪਾਰਲਾ ਬੰਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਝਦਾ. Thank you for listening my lecture. Again, thanks by Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. Be at home, be safe.